Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Fiverr as freelancer. Let's get started. First, open the Fiverr app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on your profile at the bottom right, scroll down and select on Become a Seller. To use Fiverr as freelancer, you have to change your profile to seller. You can set up your profile on desktop to start selling. Add a profile picture, short description about yourself and your skills. Next, to start selling, you need to create a gig. A gig is basically your service. Tap the profile tab, then choose create a gig. Add a clear title like I will design a modern logo for your business. Select the right category, set your price, and write a simple description of what you offer and some pictures or samples of your work so buyers can see your skills. Decide how much you want to charge. You can start with a lower price to attract your first customer, then increases later. Also set the delivery time like 2 days or 3 depending on how fast you can finish the work. Once your gig is live, buyers can place orders. You will get a notification on your phone when someone orders. Do the work and upload the finished file through the app. Always deliver on time and be polite to your clients. Good reviews will bring you more sales, and that's it. That's how you can use Fiverr as freelancer from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.